I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the device is on the same Apple ID and Find My is enabled. This is non-negotiable. Once done, open the Find My app on your iPhone or iPad or sign into iCloud. Calm and choose Find iPhone. Now locate the device in the list and tap or click Play Sound. This triggers an audible ping that helps you find the phone immediately. Make sure you act quickly so the device remains reachable on the network. Once you tap Play Sound, the service pings Apple's servers and tells the device to ring. Importantly, it will play even if the phone is muted or in Do Not Disturb mode, so you can hear it regardless. If the device is online, expect the audible alert to repeat for a short period so you can track it down. If it shows offline, make sure to enable Notify when found and continue to monitor the Find My app or iCloud for status updates. After the phone rings, go get it and confirm the sound stops so you know it's recovered. Make sure to disable any temporary modes you set. If the device isn't reachable, immediately enable Lost Mode and leave a contact number and message so a finder can call you. Troubleshoot by checking that the device has power and cellular/Wi-Fi, that you're signed into the same Apple ID, and that location services and Find My remain enabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.